Hey y'all, Mythica here. Thank you to all my A1 Day 1 subscribers. For anybody new here or is just passing through, welcome. So, of course, there have been a lot of Disney princess kits that have been released to Diamond Art Club, and I cannot catch them all. I do not have room to catch them all. So, I just went ahead and picked my favorite, which is Mulan. The name of this kit is Heart of a Warrior. It is a 53 by 53 square centimeter kit. Oh, and then I love the emblem right there. I think it is absolutely perfect for this time of year because we are entering cherry blossom season. Um, excuse me, you have your how to diamond paint instruction along with the kit contents. And then this one opens different. I don't know if anybody else has noticed this, but y'all, like, this one opens from the side. And then timestamps will be down below if you want to just get past me, like, fumbling through how to open up this different kind of box. I kind of feel like Diamond Art Club did, like, hear and see my box concerns when they did this. So thank you so much. As y'all know, like, I've had a number of their boxes just completely fall apart on me. So, here is their toolkit. And then we have the sticker book and the thank you packet. Whoop. And then there is our canvas. Do what makes you sparkle. Okay. And then also apologies if my voice sounds a little bit off today. The weather is something else along with the pollen. Oh, and then we get our trading card right here. I love how they're doing this now. So there is Mulan, Heart of a Warrior. This is a bronze card. I feel like at some point I need to get like a Pokemon binder or like a trading card binder just to keep like all of these wonderful cards intact. And then here is our sticker book. Oh, okay. So we have like low colors, but we've got some pizzazz. We've got a electro drill symbolized by that K444. And then we've got Z608 fairy dust, and then we have Z3708, another fairy dust. Wow. Okay. Whoop. And then there is the logbook sticker. And then on the inside of this, you have your QR code to scan for the Facebook group. If you want to get all the inside scoop on diamond painted goodness from Diamond Art Club, you've got your tips and tricks. And then if you want to build up a stash, there you go. There's your discount codes. And then again, here is how you can diamond paint if you decide to store your canvas or your drills and all of that separate from your actual box. So next up, we are gonna do the toolkit. This is going to come with their new twist and pick pen. You've got baggies. Does this one have the clear wax? Oh, yes, it does. And then metal tip as well. Yes, it does. So you can you screw it this way. You've got your wax cartridge right there. If wax is not your jam, you could if you have like some spare Diamond Art Club tweezers from their previous kits before, you could like easily scoop that out, insert your own wax or putty if you will. If we turn this the other way, the clear wax is going to sploot out the one end. Oh, yep, see, there you go. And it takes a lot less hand pressure than the putty does. So I will be interested to see how this performs for like picking up diamonds. And I only twisted it a few times. Now I feel like there's already too much wax coming out the end of the pen. Oh, okay. And then speaking of the pen, we have a 4-placer focus. We have a 4-placer installed on default. And there is typically a 7-placer that comes with this as well. I have a feeling it's going to be in here. Yep, there it is. There is our 7-placer. Instead of putty now, we have the clear wax. And then if clear wax is not your jam, you still have your traditional pink heart-shaped wax. So you have your tray with sliding lid and stopper, and then there is this like groove all around the other end in case you have more than one kit and you want to be super efficient. You can put multiple colors in multiple of those trays and then just stack them on your workspace. And then of course, bag of baggies to store your extra diamonds. Okay, so now without further ado, let's dive on into the canvas. And as always, plastic warning, mind your earbuds. But first, let's try and get a thumbnail. Okay, now, plastic warning. She is so gorgeous and so little that I probably could have actually filmed this on my desk. But I feel like this is exactly what I need in my life because I'm doing a few kits that have just been like crazy, like huge, or there's been a lot of confetti recently. So excited just to see one that is just pure color blocking heaven. This one has the pink for the perforated cover and then super sticky as always. So there is our licensing, Heart of the Warrior, and then Disney. And then here you have yet another discount code just in case you blow the other two on kits. You still have one. And then you've got your legend down there in the bottom, legend up there in the upper left-hand corner. Wow. And then Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club. Crystal clear gel field as always. I absolutely just like love the beauty and the simplicity that this kit has to offer. I feel like we should just get on into these drills and we should see where all of our ABs go. Well, special drills go. There are no ABs in this kit. There is your sticker right there in case you separate out your canvas from your drills. And immediately I can tell that 927, those fat packs of drills are gonna be our background color. Holy moly. How many did they give us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. So the 310 is probably going to be like her hair and then her eyes and her eyebrows. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 3765 is probably going to be the fan. So just one bag of that. Oh, check out that orange. That is like cutie orange. Oh my. And then 915. I love that plum color. It's probably going to be in Mushu's tail. And then 3771. I feel like that's going to be her skin tone. Oh no, wait, haha, we do actually have one AB in there. So there is 938, 433, 3363, 347, 934, 524, 3857, 803, 311, AB 5200, because of course, like everywhere that there's white, I'm pretty sure. 3708. Oh, that's got to be our cherry blossoms. Like, that is such a gorgeous pink. 3713. 444 with a K. Oh, that's probably going to be in the sword and then the fan. Like, everywhere there's that, like, yellow-ish outline, I'm pretty positive. And the 939, that's probably going to be part of her Hanfu. So, let's see. Let us take a look-see and see where they are gonna put those drills. Okay. So, we are looking for the white square with a dot in the center. So, yep, pretty much exactly where I said that they were gonna be. In the center of the flowers, the tendrils and things on Mushu. Yep. And then our Z3708 is going to be, of course, our gorgeous cherry blossoms. And then Z608 is Mushu, and then the hilt of the sword, there's a little bit in the guard, and then Mulan's lipstick. And then K444, oh yeah, that's like the other part of her sword. The fan. I thought that there was gonna be some in the outline, but nah, it is just the things that she used in the movie as like in like the more notable scenes with her weapons. Oh, and then they have her clip right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I absolutely adore this kit. They did everything right. I don't know if Diamond Art Club would ever like do this, but I feel like they should really do that iconic portrait of her where it was the cover of the VHS where you see like one half of her face, like hair all tucked back, like ready to go to war, and then the other half of her is where she's got like her makeup done and she's about ready to go see the matchmaker. I absolutely love all of the positive like lessons and things that this movie had to offer. I went to see this in theaters when I was 8 years old with my mom, absolutely obsessed with it. Like, the birthday after I went to go see the movie, I like begged and pleaded for her to get the Mulan like sneakers. So I absolutely love this kit. I'm probably gonna go pick up the other one because I know like there's a different version of her through Amazon. Yes, like absolutely. I feel like they did such a good job. They did the movie justice. And I feel like my life would be complete if we could get that VHS cover of the movie as a diamond painting. So, sound off in the comments if you made it all the way to the end what your favorite Disney princess is, and I will see you all later. Bye!